The world is changing at an unprecedented rate. From rapid development to the call for green return. The energy revolution is quietly changing the way forward for humanity. In the tide of smart travel, how to make every electric car freely moving through the veins of the city. This is a talk about technological innovation, issues of the times with social development. Wolin Electric, as a company focusing on new energy vehicle charging piles, centralized fast charging and changing station, optical storage and charging integrated system equipment, key core digital control system equipment, and the research and development of ultra-high power DC microgrid system, a comprehensive service provider for design, manufacturing, and operation, committed to providing system solutions for global users, driving the energy revolution. With an infinite vision for the future and the unremitting pursuit of quality, Wolin Electric are on the journey of green technology stride forward. The company has obtained ISO system certification, GBT 2949-02013 Intellectual Property Management System certification. All have passed the testing of Domestic Authoritative Quality Inspection Agency's certification and International TVC ECB, R and other European standards. American Standard AC and DC product certification. Owns over 100 intellectual property rights, including a number of invention patents and software copyrights, utility model patent, and 128 new energy charging, energy storage and distribution product registration certificate, and industry certifications, based on the frontier of science and technology and the pursuit of quality. The company has built an intelligent factory about 50,000 square meters. A new energy vehicle charging pile production line has been built. Schneider Electric, authorized high and low voltage complete electrical production line. Automatic precision sheet metal production line. Automatic intelligent coating production line. Fully automatic product inspection line, etc. A series of advanced intelligent production lines, and build a coverage at home and abroad. 24-hour energy operation, management platform, and after-sales services capability system. For global users, we provide efficient and reliable all-round support and services.